what's good everyone? It's MJoe23Dan back with another video. Today's video I want to concentrate on you, the subscriber. Yep, you, the subscriber. Basically, this is what I want to do. So I know there's a lot of small-time creators out there that want to bring their name up in the community. Since I've seen a few aspiring creators out there and you guys want to be able to monetize your account, YouTube is only going to be allowing small-time creators with 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of views in order for you to monetize your channel. So this is what I'm proposing for you guys. If you guys are an aspiring creator, you're a collector, I really want you guys to possibly create a video, send it to me privately. I'll include my email address right here. You guys send me your video, or put it like on your channel, and let me know what your channel is, what your social presence is all about in the video. Now this is important. In the video, I want you to be able to describe who you are, what you represent, what is your niche, like what do you guys concentrate in, what is your channel direction going to be about, and basically just to get to know more about yourself. And then I also want you to be able to not have an extended video, because that's not something that somebody is really going to be sitting down to actually look at. They could eventually look at once they view your channel, but basically just bring a video that will bring people to your channel. So create maybe like a short, I don't know, like a 7 to 8 minute video. I'll say that. You can have it shorter than that if you want. And I'll feature it every Friday on my channel. If I get a lot of videos, I'll do it every Friday, but if not, then I'll do like once a month or something like that. And it's just a way to get you small-time creators out there that want to be able to have a presence on social, and I'm helping you out. So it'd be great to see what you guys present and what you guys come up with, and maybe get some followers, subscribers along the way, because I'm always looking for new people to follow. And if you guys are if you guys can get that out of me and get that out of other people, I think you do great. So push yourself. Email me, let me know what you guys have in store, and I look forward to seeing what you guys have presented. Thank you guys so much. Take care.